Hi everyone, my name is Zakir and I welcome all of you in this computer networking course. Before moving further, let me remind you what we have learned so far. Firstly, we have learned what basically computer network is. After that, we have discussed about features of computer network. Then we have discussed about types of network, and then we have discussed about difference between LAN, MAN and WAN networks. If you did not watch these videos, then check our networking series and watch these videos so that you can clearly understand what we are going to discuss in upcoming videos. Now today we are going to discuss about hub and switch networking devices. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Firstly, let's discuss about what is hub. A hub is a physical layer networking device which is used to connect multiple devices in a network. They are generally used to connect computers in a LAN. A hub has many ports in it. A computer which intends to be connected to the network is plugged into one of these ports. A hub is less expensive and less intelligent. Why we call it less intelligent? Because if a device A wants to send any message to device B, it will reach every other devices that are connected with the hub, no matter whether they need this message or not. So that's why we call it less intelligence. Now let's talk about switches. A switch is a data link layer networking device which connects devices in a network and uses packet switching to send and receive data over the network. It is mainly used to send the private message, and also there is no wasting of data. Switch can easily identify that which device is connected with which port by using MAC address. That's why it delivers message to a particular devices. So we can also say switch is more intelligent than hub. Now let's see the difference between hub and switch. Hub is a non-intelligent network device that sends message to all ports, while a switch is an intelligent network device that sends message to selected destination ports. In hub, transmission mode is half duplex. That means we can't send and receive message at the same time. In switch, transmission mode is full duplex. That means we can send and receive message at the same time. Hub works in physical layer. Switch works in data link layer. Hub can have 4 ports, while a switch can have 24 to 28 ports. In hub, there is only one collision domain, while in switch different ports have own collision domain. So these are some differences between hub and switch. Now at the end, let's take a short look at the summary of this lecture. So first we have discussed about hub, which is a network device used to connect multiple computers in a LAN network. It also has many ports to which computers are plugged in, and it's also less intelligent because here we can't send private message to any other device. Then we have discussed about switch, which is data link layer networking device used to send and receive data over the network. It is also used to send private message, so there is no wasting of data. And we can also say switch is more intelligent than hub. And then we have discussed about difference between hub and switch. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Crash4 for more informative videos related to technology, ethical hacking, and cybersecurity. See you next time. Till then, thank you and bye bye.